Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see if the Poco C75 have an in-display fingerprint sensor or a side-mounted fingerprint sensor. Now to check if the Poco C75 have an in-display fingerprint sensor or a side-mounted fingerprint sensor, just open the settings app. Now from here, scroll down and tap on fingerprint and face data. Now from here, tap on fingerprint unlock. Now from here, just enter your screen lock pin, just like that. Now from here, tap on next. Now from here, as you can see, to add a fingerprint, just tap on the fingerprint sensor, which is located on the power button on the right side edge of your smartphone. Now as you can see, when I tap on the power button, it starts registering the fingerprint data, just like that. Now from here, once you add your fingerprint, just tap on done. And this is how you can check if the Poco C75 have an in-display fingerprint sensor or a side-mounted fingerprint sensor. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.